it's Harriet the Aquarius. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making zucchini and corn and squash fritters. They're really free thinking and they're really wholesome and healthy and awesome. And let's get into it. Just to get your ingredients out, we need 1 zucchini, 2 heads of corn, this squash, and milk. And I already got my egg out. And make sure that what you get is organic, because organic wins. It's the best. In one of our bowls, we need an egg. Just kind of wipe it off to make sure that it's clean. And just crack it on your bowl. And that's what we do. You're gonna whisk your egg nice and easy, and don't do it too hard. Just get it all blended together into one free-thinking, happy yellow mixture. I'm going to pour in roughly 1 cup of milk, and I just like to microwave my milk for about 10 seconds, just because it's nicer when it's heated up. Okay, and we're going to pour this a little bit at a time into our egg mixture and whisk it, and just continue that until it's all done. So what we need next is cornmeal. Again, make sure it's organic, and just pour about half a cup of it, that's all I have left, guys, into another bowl. And that's just going to stay off to the side for a little while. Okay guys, now we get into the fun part. We're going to be cutting up our squash. So we're not using this part or this part. Go into the compost. And this is actually a new grater that I got for my birthday. It's a kind of shredder, because okay, it doesn't work quite as well as a normal shredder, but ours broke and we haven't gotten a new one yet, so I'm gonna have to use this. So yeah, you just want to make sure that it fits in here and try to make them pretty thin, because they slice into better pieces. They're like this. So I'm actually just going to cut these a little bit smaller, because my amazing grater didn't work quite as well as I hoped, but we can still make great fritters. Okay, so I had to cut them up, but you should use a grater if you have one. And if you don't have a grater, then do what I'm doing and slice it over and over again until you have what will be equivalent to grated vegetables. And I'm going to do the same thing with my zucchini. So guys, that is the finished squash. And now we're going to work on our zucchini. I don't think this is really going to be helpful today, so we'll just get that. And these zucchini ends can be composted. In the meantime, I'm going to start cutting my zucchini. So, yep, cut them up. Or if you have a grater, then that is splendid. So finish adding those in, and guys, once we have gotten all our ingredients ready, then we're going to mix them together, but we're going to cut up our corn first. So here is my corn. and it's not quite ready yet. This is actually corn from my garden, and it wasn't ready, but it will taste good when it's cooked. So for a corn, we're not going to cut it. We're going to kind of, oh, this is a very messy job, but we will accomplish it. Just going to cut our kernels off, and this should probably take about 5 or 10 minutes because it's kind of harder, especially if your corn's not ripe. But like I said, it will taste awesome when it is cooked. Just make sure you use all of your corn because we don't like wasting food. We just like to use every bit that we can, and then the rest of this can go into compost. So you're going to do the same thing to the second corn, and just give your milk and egg a little mix every now and then just to make sure that it stays together. So I'm done with the corn. I'm just going to get it all piled up and put it in here. Okay, so now the first thing, I forgot to get a spoon actually. Okay, so I'm going to add in my flour first. Oh, I don't know, I think it's a little bit wet or something. Anyway, just get this in. And the second thing is going to be the corn. I know this maybe sounds kind of backwards, like you should be adding the wet ingredients together, but I have my own recipes and they're really free thinking and really awesome. Third thing is going to be our squash. So we're gonna just mix it all together like this, and now add in the zucchini. And this is a recipe that can really be improvised on. Like you can add other vegetables, you could add a beet, or you could add carrots. You can kind of do anything. Like I'm doing a kind of summer themed dish, but you can do a fall dish too, or a winter one, or you can add beans or anything. Now that we've gotten this all mixed, I'm going to get this all mixed in. And yeah. Let's get our pan out and put on some nice organic cooking oil. So just let your oil heat up and kind of spread it around all sides. And when it's heated up, you can add your fritter batter. Basic fritter. This is definitely one of the larger ones. Let's turn it down. Let's just see if it's ready. I don't think it is. No, this one was a failure. Turns out a little bit better. Something went wrong. It didn't really form into a fritter, but that is what cooking with Harriet is like. So we're gonna make another one of these little stir fries. That was good today. I really love the way these are tasting. I'm just gonna add all of it in and make it into one big stir fry. For quite a while and let them get nice and browned, and then I'm gonna have this for dinner. You can see I moved them into another frying pan just because this one works better. So I'm just gonna let them fry for about 8 minutes at a lower temperature so that they can get longer and more thoroughly cooked, and they taste really great. I already had 3 of them and they're just so amazing. I really love them. Okay guys, these are my free thinking zucchini, corn, and squash fritters. I hope you enjoyed my video. I enjoyed making it, and I'm going to enjoy eating these delightful little friends. and so is my family. We're actually having them for like a side course at dinner tonight, and you can do that too. They are really good. They're simpler to make than they look. I mean, I know my video is long, but you can make them much more quickly than I did, and then they taste great, and they're a great summer meal. So yeah, bye.